This is what my real voice sounds like, and this is the AI clone version of my voice.
Pretty close, right? In this video, I will show you how to clone your voice using AI for free.
Yes, it is completely free and no subscription is needed. So if you want to create your own AI voice, let us get started. First, we need to download a software called VoiceBox. It is a free and open source voice cloning studio that supports multiple text-to-speech engines. Open your web browser and search for VoiceBox. Go to the official website, then click download. Choose your operating system. For me, I am using Windows. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, install it like any normal software. After installation, open the program. You will notice that the interface is simple and easy to use. Before we start cloning voices, we need to download some models. Go to the model section first. Download Quen TTS 1.7b. This is one of the latest voice models. Click download and wait for it to finish. Next, download the whisper-based transcription model. This helps convert your voice into text accurately. Now let us proceed to creating our voice. Go to the Generate tab. To start cloning your voice, click Create Voice. You will see several options. You can upload audio, record your voice, or capture system audio. For this tutorial, I will choose Record Voice. You can record your voice sample for about 30 seconds. Click Start Recording and speak clearly. This is what my real voice sounds like. And this is the AI clone of my voice.
Once you're done, click Transcribe. Then type your voice name. After that, click Create Profile. Now your cloned voice is ready to use. Go back to the text-to-speech section, select the voice you just created, then type the text you want the AI to speak. For example, once you're ready, click Generate Speech. Wait for the process to finish. This depends on the length of the text and your internet connection. After it is generated, you can now play the audio and listen.
That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Click the video on the screen for another helpful guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Wow, it sounds almost like my real voice. If you're satisfied with the result, you can download it, click the three dots, then select Export Audio. And that is how easy it is to clone your voice using AI. For better results, use a clear 30-second voice sample. Make sure your recording is clean and has no background noise. Also, only use voices that you own or have permission to use. Do not use this for impersonation or harmful purposes. Always use AI responsibly. If you learned something from this video, do not forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. See you in the next video.